What is up, guys, and welcome back to another Instagram tutorial. My name is Wommack, and today once again we will be taking a look at another picture that you guys sent me. You requested this look right here, this night vision look. You sent me this picture of Travis Scott, also this picture right here of Data Love. Now also my good bro ALTIN posted his picture on his Instagram account today with a kind of night vision look. You guys have been requesting this a lot as well. Now I don't really know how he did it. I'm sure if you want to know, you have to ask him. But I will show you today how to create a similar look using only your smartphone and the free Lightroom app. Now, of course, as always, I've also created a preset on exactly this look. It's on my website. The link is under this video, and it's in the all presets pack with over 200 presets that you can easily paste to every one of your pictures to make them look great. And the cool thing about this all presets pack is that once you buy it, it will automatically be updated. So all the future presets will automatically be updated to your pack. It's a great deal. Make sure to check it out. Link is under this video. Subscribe to the channel, hit the notifications bell, and of course, if there's anything else I can do for you, always feel free to DM me on Instagram. @Wommack is my handle. Now I've said enough, let's jump right into this video. The first thing I want you to do, of course, is take your picture at night with the flash on, and then I want you to open it on the free Lightroom app on your smartphone. So we open the app right here. Now I've chosen this picture here. The first thing we do is in the lights tab, we go to curve on the upper right side, and I want you to recreate this curve exactly as it is right here. Once you have this, we go over to the green circle down here, and I want you to pull up the greens here a little bit, and then also pull them over in the highlights a little bit. And then we go to the blue circle, and we just want to pull that down a little bit right here. To the right side. Once you have this, we're done here. Next thing we want to do is boost up the exposure a little bit to plus 0.34. Then we pull down the contrast all the way to negative 63. Then we boost up the highlights to plus 19 right here. Boost up the shadows to plus 38. And the whites all the way down to negative 30 right here. And the blacks all the way to negative 49 right there. Then we go over to the colors tab. What you want to do here is just pull down the saturation all the way to negative 100. Then you scroll up, hit grading on top. What you want to do for the shadows here is pull to a hue of around 235 and boost up the saturation to around 28 right there to get that little blue tone to the shadows here. Then we're done here. We go over to the effects tab. Last thing we do is just pull down the clarity to negative 63 right here, and the dehaze down to negative 21 right here. And then of course the last thing we do is boost up the grain all the way to 58 right there. Increase the size a little bit to around 68, and the roughness up as well to around 78 right here, and then we are done. And this is it, guys. Here's a before and after, and I really like this final night vision look. I hope you enjoyed this video today. Once again, thank you for all your requests of that Travis Scott look, that Data Love look, and also shout out to my bro ALTIN. Thanks for inspiring us, posting this picture on your Instagram account. Once again, let me tell you, I've created a preset on exactly this look that we did today. It's linked under this video, and it's in the all presets pack with over 200 presets that you can easily paste to every one of your pictures. And this pack is growing on a weekly basis. So every time I create new presets, they're automatically updated to the pack. So it's a growing pack. It's a great deal. Make sure to check it out. Link is under this video. Of course, subscribe to the channel, hit the notifications bell. And if there's anything else you need from me, always feel free to DM me on Instagram. @Wommack is my handle. And I'm always open for conversation and really excited to hear from you guys. Now, thank you so much for showing love, for supporting this channel. Thanks for watching the video, and I hope I'll see you in the next one. Till then, stay creative, stay healthy, peace.